Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm back with another video, and today we'll be doing a wig install. So this is a glueless wig, so it's very beginner friendly. So if you want to see all the details, keep on watching. So the hairs from Domiso here, the same in their 10x7 glueless Kinky Straight wig. So here are the extra goodies that came with the wig. So we have a wig cap, we have an extra adjustable band, we have an edge brush, a lace melting band, also a pair of flashes. This is how the hair looks straight out of the bag. So this wig is everything is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. So you don't really have to do much. Everything is already done for you. Here's the inside construction of the wig. So we have 3 combs, one on each side and one at the back, and they're removable, which I really love. You don't really have to cut them. You can just take them out and put them back whenever you want. We also have an adjustable band at the back, and that's how you'll be able to wear the wig glueless and it will stay secure on your head. So now I'm just putting on my wig cap, and this is the one that came with the wig, and I want to try on the wig first and see if I have to do any adjustments, and I want to see how the wig looks before doing anything to it. So here's how the lace looks like. I'll just have to tint the lace to match my skin tone, but other than that, the lace looks so good to me. Also, you can always adjust the wig to your liking, so if you want to pluck the hairline even more, you can definitely do that, but I think the hairline looks very good, so I'm not gonna do anything to it. So I just applied some foundation on the wig cap. You can always use that, or if you have a lace tint, you can use that as well. So I just did that, and I did the same thing on the lace, so that's how it's looking like. So as you know, this is a glueless wig, so you can wear it without using any glue or hairspray, but I'll go ahead and use Go-To-Be hairspray because I want it to be secure enough. I'll be trying out different styles with this wig, so I just want it to be secure. So after applying the first layer of Go-To-Be hairspray, I'll just let it dry a bit, then I'll apply the second layer, then I'll just use my hand dryer to speed up the drying process, and I'm using it on the cool setting. Once I'm done positioning the wig, I'll just go ahead and use my hand and a comb to press down the lace. Then I'll go ahead and wear the lace melting band, and I'll leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until I'm done styling the wig. So now we're going to style the wig, and I want to make sure that my roots lay flat. So after applying the wax stick, I'll just go in with my hot comb. Once you're done with that, you can wear the wig just like that, but I want to go in with my flat iron so that I can make the hair look more silky and smooth. So now I'm done with one side. You can see the difference. The other side looks very smooth and straight. So if you want to skip this step, you can do that, but I just wanted to show you all the things that you can do with this wig. I'm going to do some baby hairs, and I won't do too much. I'll just take out a bit of hair on both sides, and I'm going to be using hair mousse to lay them down. And if you don't have hair mousse, you can also use gel. So now I'm gonna do some final touches, so I'll just apply more makeup on the lace, also on my parting as well, and that's pretty much it. So now I'm all done, and this is the final look, and that's how everything is looking like. So I usually don't wear wigs a lot, but this one was really easy to install and it's very beginner friendly. So if you're looking for something new or you want to try out a wig, you should definitely give this one a try. It's very easy to install. The hairs from Domiso here, they're available on Amazon, and this is the Kinky Straight glueless wig, and this one is 22 inches long. So if you want to check them out, all details will be linked down below, so make sure to check them out. You can also do so much with this wig. It's so versatile and you have enough room to do a lot of things. You can also wear side parts. So I want to show you how it looks like when you wear a side part. So here's how the wig is looking like with the side part, and I think I like the wig looking like this even more. So you can really do a lot with this wig, and I'm going to show you one more style that you can do with this wig, which is a half up, half down style. So this is another side that you can do with your wig, and I added some curls with my flat iron and it turned out so beautiful. So you can really do a lot with this wig, and that's how the hair looks like when it's not tied up. So again, the hair is from Domiso Hair, and this is their Kinky Straight Glueless Wig, and they're available on Amazon. All details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next one.